So what is Teams? It's a collaborative space where team members can work together, share files, post chat and team communications, video conference, and co-edit documents. Teams allows users to access and edit O365 applications from within one app. It is a hub that brings Word, PowerPoint, OneDrive, OneNote, SharePoint all onto one workspace. Teams allows next-level collaboration. Traditionally, email has shaped our work environment, sharing files, scheduling meetings, sending and resending drafts. This unidirectional method to work has many lag points and bottlenecks. When a group invests in Teams, bottlenecks and lag points can be eliminated. Communication and scheduling is faster, collaboration is more efficient, and team files are better organized and more easily accessible. Teams facilitates working as a team instead of as individuals. Many campus groups and committees are using Teams, so getting comfortable using Teams really is necessary. Departments and offices are also starting to use Teams, and more campus business is happening in this platform. Even if you're never added to a campus team, you'll want to use the chat feature to communicate with campus users. When you open the Teams app, you'll see a navigation rail on the left that lets you access the various sections of Teams. Let's start with chat, where you can have one-on-one and small group conversations and meetings. Chat works a lot like a cell phone text string. For each one of your contacts, you can have an ongoing conversation by text. If you want to meet, you can see if they are available, the green check mark, ask if they are free, and use the camera or phone icons to start a call. By the way, when you press enter, the message is sent, so if you're writing a long chat message or need to format it, select the Format button so you can add bullets, bold text, etc. Just like a group text on a cell phone, you can have a group chat with multiple contacts. You can rename the group using the pencil icon or add members to a group to create a new group. Anytime you schedule a meeting with a group or an individual, Teams automatically creates a chat for that meeting. You can access it before, during, and after the meeting to continue your conversation. All chats have a Files tab to share documents, and you can use the plus sign to add other apps and tools. To start a new chat, select the New Chat button and type in a name or names of any campus users or guest team members. Let's take a quick look at the Teams section within Teams. Unlike chat, where conversations are private and less formal, a team allows everyone to work collaboratively on team work. All posts and files are open to all team members, and channels are used to organize the team's short and long-term tasks. You have two options on how teams are displayed, the grid view or the list view. When you select a team in grid view, you only see the team. Each team has a general channel by default, but other channels can be added. Team members can only add channels if the team owner has allowed it in settings. Let's pause to talk about the More button. It is everywhere in Teams and provides access to additional actions and settings. Keep an eye out for them. Selecting the for the team displays these options. The most used actions here are Manage Team, which opens settings for the team, and Add Channel or Add Member. The thing to notice is that Teams uses plain language, so it's normally very clear what an action does. Let's take a look at the channel notifications. For each channel, you can choose different settings than those in your general account settings. This allows you to pay special attention to important channels and mute channels that have a low priority. The general settings is located next to your account profile icon. Among other things, you can change privacy and notification settings here. Channels are where work gets done. The Posts tab displays team communications, while other tabs provide access to other resources. You'll find all team files in the Files tab. To keep a discussion together, always reply to a post using the Reply button. Just like in chat, if you have a long response or need to format the text, select the Format button. Select the paperclip icon to attach files already in Teams or OneDrive, or to upload a file from your computer. Uploaded files will automatically be added to the Files tab of the channel, or a direct link to the file will be added if it's already on Teams. By default, Teams does not use pop-up notifications for posts. Instead, it uses a combination of passive notifications to call attention to new posts. We'll skip the Activity tab for now. Notice that Teams uses bold to show that you have posts to read. If I select the team, the channel that contains the post is also in bold. If I go to the channel, the post will be highlighted for a moment at the bottom of the screen, and a last red line will mark the new posts. The other passive notification is the red circled numbers. These are normally there when you've been @mentioned in a post, which means someone has entered your name in a post. When this happens, Teams also displays a pop-up notification. If you want to get someone's attention in a channel, type the @ symbol and start to write their name. You can @mention a person, an entire channel, or even the team so that everyone gets a pop-up notification. All notifications and @mentions for all of your teams will show up in Activity. If you're on a lot of teams, it's often the best way to manage incoming posts. If you select a posted item, it takes you directly to the post within the specific team channel. Teams is a fantastic hub for all of your personal and group work activity. There's lots to explore, like the calendar, which integrates seamlessly with Outlook, the Files section, which provides quick access to all of your OneDrive and Teams files, including downloaded and recently opened documents, and you can even access and manage approvals created using Power Automate. Select the ..more button to see even more O365 and third-party apps, like Tasks, which let you manage your personal to-do lists or team project plans.